We were sent the Snail Axe massage pad for review, and I'm really excited to try it because I am definitely one for massages. And so this one is meant to be massaging your full body. I like that you have this little strap here that you can just roll it up and put it away. So it has heating. So you have this little pillow here for like your head and your neck, and there's heating here in your neck, but no massages. But there are 10 little like pods or nods all throughout the sides here for your full body massage. So the massage will start from your shoulders all the way down to your legs essentially. And I do like that you can either lay it completely flat like on the floor or on top of your bed, or what you can do is you can put it in like a sitting position, which is also pretty cool as well. So like if you're just sitting here watching TV after a long day at work, and it is plugged in and there is a remote. So as you can see, you have the heat in your neck, and then you have all the upper body, all the different where you want it to massage. And I believe there's all kinds of different like modes for like the sequences. As you can see, it goes from M1 up to M5. So it kind of like changes it around, and like again, starts from your neck, works down, has all of them going at once, and there's different intensities. So I'm going to go ahead and sit down. We're going to, oh, okay, we're going to turn that on. So I'm going to put it on high. So you have intensity, you have low, medium, and high. So right now I have it on high, and I have it on M1. So I believe it is just kind of, and I'm going to turn on this heat here. Let's get the heat going. And it's just circulating throughout your whole body. So oh, it's very different feeling. So basically what it is it's not like one of those back massagers where it's like rocking like a fist in your back. This is kind of more like a full body vibration. So my body is completely like just being like vibrated. It's really cool. Oh, it feels nice. I have it on the back of my legs. I can feel that right there. But so I love this sitting position and then just sitting here feeling that. So I'm just gonna try and see a different note. Oh, okay. So now this is just my lower back area. That feels cool. So again, it is not a powerful, like feels like, you've got like someone working on those knots. It's more about, can you hear it in my voice? Because it's like, it is more a vibration throughout your whole body. So it feels really, really good. I can definitely see myself after a long day, like putting this down on my bed or even here in the living room and, watching TV and relaxing. But it is not going to get out those like super tough, like sores or kinks in your back. But it's definitely relaxing. I like it.